boiler breakdown or commercial boiler breakdown. My name's Alan Hart, and in today's video Lee's back, and Lee's back. He's at that job where he had a faulty gas valve on a boiler, and it wasn't getting the correct readings on his analyzer, and he's going to put a new gas valve in. So in this video today he's going to put a new gas valve in, shows how to set it up as well. It's also got a new flue gas analyzer, so maybe he'll do a review on that at some point as well, Lee, if you can. Be interesting to know what your thoughts are with the new Anton analyzer. So yeah, without further ado, let's go over to see Lee.
Hey Alan, well, you knew it was going to be happening, so yeah, I couldn't be bothered to come out themselves, so looks like I'm doing it. Right, warranty job, isn't it? When you got to do it yourself. Right, cool, let's crack on. Right, so with all that, yeah, the joys, lovely. And what they haven't sent is a new bloody O-ring. What is the point in sending a new gas valve with no new O-rings? I'll have to have a look on back at that, see what I've got. Lovely. Right, so gas valve's in. Got a tightness test on it. There's no point putting it all back together and then doing a tightness test to find that it's leaking, and you've got to take it all to bits again. So, makes sense to me. So, we're up to nearly 1.5 minutes. Looking good. Cool. Right, so leave it for a couple of more seconds and start putting the beast back together. Happy days. Happy days. Right, cool. Beautiful. Right. Right, stick it all together. So somebody were asking me what manufacturer torque wrench I use. So that's it. Now you know. So cool. Happy days. Right. Just got air bits put on there, and yeah, get it commissioned. With any luck, it'll be right. Happy days. Yeah, so we're a bit high on CO2. So take a bit off. Now wait. Now this one here, this one ain't super sensitive. Right, that one down there. So yeah, cool. Scooby-Dooby-Doo, Scooby-Doo-Doo. I don't like this flue gas analyzer at all. Can't wait to get my test hose back. I had to beg, borrow and plead just to borrow one. No, can't work without one, can you? Plus I always print my working off, so CYA, cover your arse and all that garbage. Not far off now, not a million miles away. And then we'll slap it back in tie fire. Double check that. Double check, triple check, quadruple check. Nearly there. Happy days. I'll come back to you in a bit. Cool. Right, so just setting up gas valve now. Got a bit super sensitive, is this? Super sensitive. I'll get in there. Have a look at us flame picture. Happy days. Just a touch more. Scooby-Dooby-Doo, Scooby-Doo-Doo, Scooby-Dooby-Doo, Scooby-Doo-Doo, Scooby-Dooby-Doo. Get it to around about 9.0 on CO2. It's not a million miles of that, is it? Happy days. I'm happy with that. You guys happy with that? Yes. Right, we'll check it at low fire. Catch you in a bit. Right, back. So, yeah. That's at low. Absolutely bob on. Right. I'm happy at that. You guys happy at that? Everybody's happy at that. Right, okay, print off. Zip, 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 zip. Cool. And what we'll do is we'll check it through its modulation from low to high. So up it goes. Keep that print off for my paperwork. $100. Yeah, readings are good. Happy days. Print off. Take this on boiler. Check it modulating from high to low. Yeah, cool. How's that? See? Told you it was a gas valve all along. And that's why you should always check your modulation. Right, get some paperwork done. Yeah, happy days. Cool. I'll see you.
Thank you very much for that, Lee. And you got it right. It was the gas valve. And they didn't send you no O-rings, so I'm assuming you had some new O-rings in your van. Yeah, let us know how you get on with the analyzer, with the Anton. I've had Kane for years, to be honest. I used to have Antons when I was at British Gas. But yeah, I've had Kanes for years. I know you had a Testo before, so it'll be interesting to see what your opinion is on that. If you've got any questions, any comments, please put them below. And as always, if you could put a thumbs up on the video, really appreciate that. Thanks for watching.